Hello guys, it's Hybrid Dwayne again. Today's video is gonna be about the switches, mechanical switches, specifically the brown switches, which I'm gonna talk about and compare it. It's not gonna be a long video. Lately, the story is I had this full keyboard, the Fnatic Gear 1 keyboard. It has black switches. It's a little bit big and my desktop is a bit small. So I thought, why don't I buy like 60% or 65% keyboard? So I made my research on the internet. There were like many keyboards. I bought three different types of them. So I bought this one, the area, and this one, the Magic Force. The thing is, the price was almost 60 euros. Both of them, they have brown switches, but not Cherry MX brown switches. So this one has the Gateron, the Magic Force, and this one has the Outemu, I guess it's called. So I thought, yeah, why not giving it a chance to see how well it goes, to see how good it is. The keyboards are very good. Both of them are very good. Like they have RGB, they have the layout is perfect. Yeah, they are good. The build quality is very good. The problem is with the switches. I am used and I like the Cherry MX switches, which are on this keyboard over here. These are my favorite. I didn't like the red ones because I like the tactile feedback, and the blue ones, they like the sound. It's awful. So this was the perfect one for me because I code a lot, I game, and I loved it. Now coming back to these ones, the problem with the Outemu, they feel almost exactly like the Cherry MX. So the Outemu, they feel almost exactly like the Cherry MX keyboards. But the only problem they have, if it doesn't bother you, it's okay, but it really bothered me. The only problem they have is the sound they make. I will put the mic near to it, and you can hear the sound that the switch makes. Mhm. And this is very annoying for me. Now I will compare it to the Cherry MX. So here's the mic. I put the mic exactly near the microphone. Sorry for the noise, guys. And I will. So there is, I don't know, like a spring or something. I don't know what makes this noise, but there is a clang. And this is not only this keyboard, because I have a second keyboard from a different brand. It has the same switches, the Outemu switches, brown switches. It made exactly the same sound. This is awful. So this I haven't seen any video on the internet talking about this. Everyone was talking like maybe it's a little bit different. It's very good, but no one mentioned this problem. So This one is out. Let me get back my microphone. This one is out. I will show you now the Magic Force keyboard, which has the Gateron blue switches. So now it's the comparison between the Gateron brown switches, sorry, and the Cherry MX. Mhm. So this is only the switch. So the Gateron switch is a lot better than the Outemu switch. Its only problem is the bounce time, or how the resistance that it gives to bounce back to its position. It felt lighter than the Cherry MX. So when I click the keyboard, when I press a key, it felt like it needed some time. It has some latency or it felt a little bit slow, especially while gaming and typing quickly. Like if I cannot, you cannot see this, but maybe the sound tells you something, you know? I will, mhm. And this it's not because of the stabilizers. It's because of the switch itself, because this one is a heavy, the space button or maybe the keycaps, they are a little bit heavy, and it needs more power to rebounce back up. And because it's lighter, or it has a less resistance than the Cherry MX, it takes more time to come back. The problem, you cannot feel that, like you can feel it. You cannot see it. Like if I had maybe I don't know, like 1000 FPS camera per second, um, I could show you that, but I felt the difference, and it wasn't good. This one here you can see. Let me. Here is the. It's it's it jumps back up. Oh, okay. So you can feel the resistance. You can feel more power that it's gonna wanna come back up, and it goes fast. You know, it goes fast. But here it doesn't give you that feeling. Even though the keyboard is new, it feels this one, the Gateron switches, they feel no, actually these ones, they feel exactly like the Outemu switches. They feel almost exactly like the Cherry MX. Like they have this power to come back, the resistance, but the sound they make is awful. These ones, they don't make that sound, but they are a little bit lighter, and like if you press the key and it doesn't come back like very fast, come back up where it was, it's I don't know, it doesn't feel that good. It feels like the normal keyboard, not a mechanical keyboard. But to be honest, This keyboard and this keyboard, all the mechanical keyboards that I have, they feel, all of them, they feel a lot better than a normal keyboard without the mechanical switches. So, but if you are going to buy a keyboard, my favorite is the Cherry MX switches. If you like those switches, I don't think you would like these switches, the Outemu switches and the Gateron switches and any other switches, because they don't make any sound. They are very, very sturdy, and the resistance is perfect. And they are not cheaper, like, because this keyboard, I ordered the same keyboard, Magic Force, with the Cherry MX brown switches. Like, I didn't notice at first. I wanted to try them out, to be honest. But now, thankfully, they have the same keyboard with a Cherry MX switches. So I hope I will make a video about that. Yeah, I will make a video to compare this one with Gateron switches with a Cherry MX from the same manufacturer of the keyboard, from the same brand. So I guess this would be a very fair comparison between the switches. So yeah, so I was buying this. That's it. This is what I wanted to tell you guys, because I was like searching on the internet. Everyone makes his tells his opinion. This is my opinion. Maybe you like this one more. Maybe you like this one more with this sound. But for me, no, thank you. So guys, that was it. I hope I wanted to make a review on 60% keyboards and 65% keyboards, like this one. Yeah, I bought like five or six keyboards because, like, this is too much for me. This takes too much place on my desktop, and maybe I would take it with me out if I want to type on my tablet. So give me a thumbs up, or tell me in the comments if you want a review, because there are lots of reviews on the internet. So I thought maybe you don't need my review on those keyboards. So if you want me to do that, just write me in the comments and leave me a comment, and I would do that, because I will send this one back. Definitely, I'll send this one back, and the other one which has the Outemu switches, they will be sent back immediately. This one, I will wait on it to come for the Cherry MX one to come, and I will compare it, and I will decide at that time which one should I keep. So that was it for today, guys. I wish you a very happy keyboard experience on whatever keyboard that you are using, and see you next time.